Alrighty. Let's get this set up here. Alright, how do you do this? Fucking hell, I forget how to use this. Oh man. Well, anyway. Well, hello there. It's been ages, hasn't it? I think it's been 2 weeks since I've last been out. Either the weather has been bitter cold or we've had a gray blanket above us, but we got a bit of a clearing here, and I've already forgot how to use this SkyWatcher scope thingy. Doggone it. I'll figure it out later, but I wanted to get this Crescent here, especially with it being such a sliver. I love getting a Crescent. And it's about 4.8% illuminated. Sorry as I dick around trying to get it lined up. But anyway, here we are on a Friday, March 8th, 2019. 6:57 p.m. And we'll try to get a real big close-up here. Wow, it's so cool to see the moon again. Anyway, we'll just take a stroll around the little sliver here. And back off. So there we go. I do see now the moon setting over in the western sky. It's probably up about, oh, I don't know, about 19 degrees above the horizon. And Mars is way high up over in the southern sky. Actually, no, that's Sirius I'm looking at. And I knew I'd forget how to operate this stuff. Anyway, I think the best sliver of the moon I got was back in 2017. I think we got it when it was about 1.8% illuminated, so it might have been 2%. I could be mistaken, but I think that was it. This is a pretty good one, man. 4.8. That's sweet looking, yeah. And you know, I was gonna try to get some shots of Sirius and Mars, but I'm just too cold out here. I think it's dipped below freezing now, so I'm just gonna wave a quick hello and goodbye to you. And I hope you're all doing well. I've missed everybody. So please have a wonderful weekend ahead and be safe and stay warm and dry wherever you are. And cool if you're down yonder. All right, y'all take care. Good night now. Oh, fucking hell, I forgot to turn the record on. Of the camera. That means the display. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my goodness. What a dipshit.